Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for June 2024. To start with, cost at 117 coins. Exorbitant costs on 139, while lows on 117. They found the middle value of costs on 126. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 2029 changed for June 10.3%. Initially costed on 129 coins. Excessive costs on 1029, while lows on 104. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on in 18. The US to BCH figure toward the month's ends on 111 changed for July 14%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for August 2024. Initially costed 111 coins. Excessive cost to 117, while lows are 102. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 110. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends of 109 changed for August 18%. US to BCH expectation for September 2024. In the first place, costed 109 coins. Exorbitant costs are 112, while lows are 97. They found the middle value of cost at 106. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 104 changed for September 6%. Before all else, costed on 104 coins. Excessive costs on 104, while lows on 86. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 97. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends on 92 changed for October 11.5%. US to BCH expectation for November 2024. Before all else, costed 0.92 coins. Excessive costs are 95, while lows on 83. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are 90. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends on 89 changed for November 3.3%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for December 2024. Initially costed 0.89 coins. Excessive costs are 92, while lows on 80. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 87. The US to BCH figure toward the month's ends on 85 changed for December 4.5%. US to BCH expectation for January 2025. Initially costed 0.85 coins. Exorbitant costs 85, while lows on 69. They found the middle value of cost 78. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 73 changed for January 14.1%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for February 2025. US to BCH expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.73 coins. Exorbitant costs on 77, while lows on 67. They found the middle value of cost 72. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 72 changed for spring 1.4%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.72 coins. Excessive costs are 76, while lows on 66. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 71. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends is 71, changed for April 1.4%. US to BCH expectation for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.71 coins. Exorbitant costs on 76, while lows on 66. They found the middle value of cost 71. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's end 71, changed for May 8%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for June 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.71 coins. Exorbitant costs on 71, while lows on 57. They found the middle value of cost 65. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 61, changed for June 14.1%. In the first place, cost at 0.61 coins. Exorbitant costs to 63, while lows on 55. They found the middle value of cost 60. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's end 59 changed for July 3.3%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.59 coins. Exorbitant costs 64, while lows on 56. They found the middle value of cost 60. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's end 60 changed for August 1.7%. US to BCH expectation for September 2025. To start with, cost at 0.60 coins. Exorbitant costs on 67, while lows on 58. They found the middle value of cost 62. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends to 62 changed for September 3.3%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for October 2025. To start with, cost at 0.62 coins. Exorbitant costs 64, while lows on 56. They found the middle value of cost 61. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends 60 change for October 3.2%. Us to BCH expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.60 coins. Exorbitant costs on 76, while lows on 60. They found the middle value of cost on 67. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 71, change for November 18.3%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for December 2025. To start with cost at 0.71 coins. Exorbitant costs on 71, while lows on 57. They found the middle value of cost on 65. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 61, change for December 14.1%. As to BCH expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.61 coins. Exorbitant costs on 78, while lows on 61. They found the middle value of cost at 68. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 73, change for January 19.7%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for February 2026. At the outset, cost at 0.73 coins. Excessive costs are 93, while lows were 73. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 82. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends in 87, change for February 19.2%. As to BCH expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset, cost at 0.87 coins. Exorbitant costs are 111, while lows on 87. They found the middle value of cost 197. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends or 103, change for spring 18.4%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for April 2026. To start with cost at 0.103 coins. Exorbitant costs are 103, while lows on 85. They found the middle value of cost or 96. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends or 91, change for April 11.7%. Us to BCH expectation for May 2026. Before all else, cost at 0.91 coins. Excessive costs on 91, while lows on 74. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 84. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends on 79, change for May 13.2%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for June 2026. Before all else, cost at 0.79 coins. Excessive costs on 101, while lows on 79. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 88. The US to BCH figure toward the month's ends on 94, change for June 19%. Us to BCH expectation for July 2026. Initially cost at 0.94 coins. Excessive costs on 120, while lows on 94. They arrived at the midpoint of cost of 105. The US to BCH figure toward the month's ends on 111, change for July 18.1%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for August 2026. First and foremost cost